Hi there, I'm Mina. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Today's lesson is about two critical tenses in storytelling: the past perfect continuous and past continuous. Let's dive in to see when you must use each tense in order to speak and write more accurately. First, past continuous tense. Do you remember the structure? In this tense, we use was or were and verb plus ing. For example, you were watching TV. We were watching TV. They were watching TV. For I, she, he, and it, use was. Like, I was watching TV. She was watching TV. He was watching TV, and it was watching TV. We use past continuous tense to talk about an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past. I've added the link to past continuous tense videos in the description below. Make sure to watch them after this lesson. Now I have some examples for you. I was watching TV last Sunday at 3 o'clock. She was shopping 2 weeks ago on Monday. Past continuous tense normally comes along with simple past tense to say that one action was in progress, another action happened and interrupted it. For example, I was in the middle of watching TV when my phone rang. Look at this timeline. There are two past actions. One of them watching TV and the other one ringing the phone. These two past actions happened at the same time. For the action that was in progress, use past continuous tense. I was watching TV. For the action that interrupted the ongoing action, use simple past. The phone rang. I was watching TV when the phone rang. I hope it's been clear so far. How about past perfect continuous tense? Do you remember how to make sentences? There is the link to past perfect lessons in the description below. Let's take a quick look. Use had, been, and verb plus ing. Good news, it's the same for all the subjects. We use past perfect continuous tense to talk about an action that was in progress before the second action started. These two actions didn't happen at the same time. I have an example for you with past perfect continuous and simple past. Look here. I had been riding my bike when I saw Alex. It's understood that the act of riding the bike was in progress before seeing Alex. When I saw Alex, the act of riding the bike was not finished. To wrap it up, let's say, use past continuous and simple past when two actions happened at the same time, or when one action interrupted the other one. Use past perfect continuous and simple past when one action had already been in progress and then later the other action happened. Wait a second! It was useful. Can you say it once again? Listen up. Try to figure it out. Use past continuous and simple past to talk about two actions happening at the same time, or when one action interrupted another ongoing action. However, use past perfect continuous and simple past to talk about one action that had already been in progress when the other action happened. For example, I was running when I broke my leg. They were sleeping when the dog barked. They were sleeping, the dog barked, and they woke up. Sleeping was interrupted. Two more examples. I had been cleaning the house when my mom called. They had been dancing when John arrived. The acts of dancing and cleaning were in progress before other actions, and they were unfinished. Alright, let's compare two more sentences. Can you notice the difference? I had been cleaning the house when my mom called, and I was cleaning the house when my mom called. I was cleaning the house when my mom called. In this sentence, I was in the middle of cleaning the house when my mom called. I had to stop cleaning. I was interrupted. I couldn't finish cleaning the house. Okay? What is important here? I was cleaning the house at the moment that my mom called. Compare it with this one. Here, the act of cleaning was unfinished as well, but it wasn't interrupted by the phone call. There were still some dirty tables and unorganized rooms when my mom called. Okay? Do you understand what I mean? Okay. Something you can express in past perfect continuous sentences is the duration of time by using for and since. Of course, you can't use for or since in past continuous tense. Alright? Look at the sentences. I had been riding my bike for 3 hours when I saw Alex. She had been watching TV since morning. Past continuous tense must refer to a specific point of time. For example, I was watching TV last Sunday at 10. Okay? So to talk about a duration of time, use for and since and past perfect continuous tense. To talk about a specific point of time, use past continuous tense. How is it so far? Do you think you can use past continuous and past perfect continuous tense more confidently? Excuse me? Did you say yes? Great. Okay, look at this situation. He was typing his article when the computer crashed. He was in the middle of typing and the computer crashed. Two actions at the same time. Oh my God, that's a disaster. He had to type everything again. Now look at this one. He had been typing for 2 hours when the computer crashed. This time he had been typing for 2 hours and later on the computer crashed. I don't know if he had saved this time or not. I know that the act of typing took 2 hours, and when the computer crashed, the typing job was not finished. So he had to fix the computer and continue typing.
Well, yeah, actually.
Excellent. I'm so proud of you and how much effort you put in learning English. I'm doing my best to help you learn faster and better. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get a notification for new uploads. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.